What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it is your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash the subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. I'm going to start this video on a sigh. Let's hop into this. So guys, I'm here with my 2008 Saab 9.5. This car I rebuilt off of a Copart purchase a couple years ago, and my sister-in-law drives the car, and my brother and his wife are moving to Florida. This car is scheduled to leave on Sunday to go to Florida. They're gonna take a 20-hour drive down to Florida with this car, and the last couple episodes with this car, we've been kind of doing a lot of prep work of final maintenance, final repairs, things that could go wrong, kind of a deal, things that should be done, kind of a deal, all of that stuff, right? Just to make sure the car is solid. Of course, in good fashion, good Saab fashion, the car's been on the road for the past week. It's been running flawlessly up until yesterday. An engine light popped on, and last night we popped the hood, checked the engine code. It was P110, and I just took the car for a ride. It is the bypass valve. Those things go bad on these. I just replaced it on the 9.5 Aero. I ordered a new one, and today here I cleaned up the car nicely just to do a little quick cleanup on it and change the bypass valve from the good one into there just to get this car on the road, knowing that there's no more engine lights. All right, so camera died there. As I was saying, we need to get the bypass valve from there, put it on here. Hood is stuck closed. I can't get it to open. I don't know what happened, but when we go in here, you can hear the cable, but there's no resistance, you guys can see. So I either suspect that the cable snapped or that it fell out of sorts there. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do here, but this is the nightmare that we're dealing with right now. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so this sucks, but this is hilarious. So I took the wheel off, did some poking around. I'm just gonna bring this thing to the shop and have the Saab shop take this thing apart and figure out how to open the hood and fix it. And well, I'm here with my brother, and we came up with a solution since they were supposed to drive this on Sunday. What are we gonna do?
I'm gonna fly down.
You're gonna fly down.
And I guess you're gonna be on a road trip, and I'll fly you back.
My dad wanted to go to Florida again, so I guess in 2 weeks or so, when it's July 4th, we'll
2 weeks or longer.
2 weeks or longer, we'll take a trip. Let's go let Dad know. Hey, Dad. Dad, where are ya?
Want to fix it?
No. Are you down to drive to Florida in like 2 weeks?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, you're good with it? Yeah?
Why?
Because we're gonna drive the Saab down.
Yeah.
Does that excite you?
Right now, nothing excites me.
Casey! You excited, buddy?
Can't fix it.
No. We're gonna bring it to the Saab shop. Alright guys, so this car's been giving us a lot of content since 2019, and it seems as if it's not gonna stop yet. So that's just a quick update for you on the Saab. It's really not cool, but at the same time it's pretty freaking hilarious, because summer break's coming up in the next couple weeks. Everybody kind of, hopefully business slows down a little bit, so for me to just take this thing on a road trip and just have its final hurrah with me and you guys, might as well make it fun. And so that's kind of the deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. The Saab saga, the Copart Saab, just more content to come. Stay tuned, guys.